Breaking news. You want to know everything about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News. Crypto to the max with your host for the boss, Rodrigo Hernedo. You can see here that we are waiting just like this guy is waiting here in the park because Bitcoin is not going to the place that we wanted to. But it's okay for us. We're happy any case. Analyzing what's going on right now, the chart, you can see that it's quite boring. It's difficult to see candles like this with so many wicks on top and bottom. And well, people like Alpha made fun of it just like this. 4 days of Bitcoin. Imagine not having a hobby. Terrible for us. We need more action. We want to be above 100K, of course. Even though right now we are quite happy, we still need to just soap to the bottom, but we are a little bit up. And even though we are 80% down, we are happy because of this green candle that we are having today. And why? Why the market is not pumping harder than this? Well, of course, we have to look at the stock market. You see gold is in all-time highs, and you see that China today is rising, but on Friday in the United States, we had a very, very bad day. And also during the weekend, Donald Trump didn't help us whatsoever. He said that he's going to put 25% tariff on $1 and still there, as the market was closed, Bitcoin just got the hit and dipped to $94,000 before recovering to $97,000. People making fun of Ethereum, that was going down also, saying, is Ethereum made of aluminum? Because if not, why is it going down? Well, you know that all these pieces of information affect the market. China is going to impose allegedly today, Monday, 15% tariffs on US energy and vehicles. This is not good. The war of these tariffs is affecting us, and everything that does Donald Trump is affecting us right now, ordering the US Treasury to stop producing new pennies. He's trying to avoid debt in the United States, one penny at a time. Also very interesting, not just that he's going to get rid of these pennies that cost 2 cents for just 1 cent, 2 cents in material for something that no one uses and is 1 cent value. And also he is bringing back those straws, plastic straws, and I'm loving that. You can say that Donald Trump is the worst. You can say that Donald Trump is a troll. But you can also say that it is stupid not having plastic straws when we have so many other things that we need to fix. Even when you can buy a straw, paper straw that is wrapped in plastic. And we've lived in this. If you have this in Europe, if you're still there. Also, he decided to cut off all aid to South Africa. We're going to talk more about that. Interestingly, we have here the chart from Bitcoin News where we see the price of Bitcoin at different presidents in the United States. Barack Obama went from $0 to $15. And we have Donald Trump, first mandate, 895 top. And Biden went all the way to 35,000. But from Trump to Trump, as he is now when 104 on inauguration day, the price exploded 117x between Donald Trump and Donald Trump. He is also allegedly informing advisors his intention to eliminate all capital gain taxes on Bitcoin and stocks. No tax law changes will be required as the president is committed to stopping any and all gains in asset price via tariff policy. Problem solved. If this is true, well, it's going to be very, very good for our investments. Also, not just what Donald Trump does, but also the rest of the family. Trump-backed World Liberty Finance's co-founder, Chase Hero, said the platform planned to create its own strategic reserve with the token bot. The Super Bowl is not having advertisements about crypto. Is this good? Is this bad? Did you watch yesterday's match and the halftime? I haven't already. I know a little bit about it. I will tell more about that if I find some crypto related interest, but I don't think so. Michael Saylor changing the blue lines to green dots, and that seems to mean that he's going to buy more Bitcoin. Thank you, Michael Saylor. And thank you to everybody that buys back Bitcoin with the money they're having back from FTX. FTX will repay 98% of creditors on February 18th. This is good, even though it's bad that they are paying in dollars. That's why it's good, because they are going to buy crypto probably with that. But they are holding back just 20% of the money they had in Bitcoin terms. They're going to have 119% of their funds lost in dollar terms. So good and bad. And this put into perspective the crypto safety. Watch this video if you want to learn more about this. This is funontheright.com and crypto safety section. And there you have another section for Trezor and another one for Ledger, our cool favorite wallets that we advise here on Fun on the Right. Bitcoin hitting a new hash rate record. The network is now processing 808 quintillion hashes per second, a sign of growing security and mining power. Good for Bitcoin. Also good for Bitcoin, this piece of information, breaking. Swedish fintech giant Klarna to adopt crypto. Klarna has 150 million active users worldwide. I asked Grog about this. It seems that it's an app where you can make payments, and even you kind of can hold those payments for the future. Now you can do this with crypto. And maybe it's also good for the market that Tornado Cash co-founder Alexei Pertsev is released from prison. Now he's going to have time from home to prepare the trial. And remember, we talked about Ulbricht the other day. Now we talk about Alexei Pertsev. And we'll see in this battle between freedom, technology, and regulation, who's the winner in the end. Good that countries using Bitcoin are doing good for their citizens. Like, for example, Nayib Bukele. El Salvador's government paid for everybody's electricity and water bills during the month of January, which is amazing. So everybody, let's go and mine Bitcoin. Mining Bitcoin blocks be like this, the puzzle that you need to solve to create Bitcoin and validate transactions. What about the rest of the market? We have some green and we have some red. Litecoin is pushing the market up with 8%. And of course, Trump token is going down because I bought. Remember that you can follow all this with dextools.io. I intend on buying more around $8. So be careful with Trump. If you want maybe buying another one, a better one, use dextools.io. I'm going to leave you the link in the description below. You can see that today the winner is CAR. And remember, I told you that we talk about Donald Trump and not paying any more aid for South Africa. Well, CAR means Central African Republic. This is the flag and is today's winner. Very interesting movements out there in the market. You can only follow them with dextools.io, of course. The crypto industry is about to hit 11 million coins according to CoinMarketCap. Those are too much. That's so many tokens out there. You just need to consider that 52,000 tokens were launched on Pump.fund yesterday. So why are we not having our alt season? Because it gets diluted. The money gets diluted with all these tokens out there. And with crazy scams like this, Pump Fund to launch their own token. We wrote this, but then we knew that allegedly is not true. It was just a rumor. Also, it was that Mr. Beast was going to launch a meme coin again. And he came out there to say, for the last time, I'm not going to create a crypto token. So be careful out there. Beware of the scams. What about Ethereum? Everybody making fun again. Crypto market trying to recover, but Ethereum is not, just falling. Well, I have good news. We're still in the line that I draw that I believe is very important for Ethereum. Also, very interesting to know that Ethereum average gas price dropped below 1 way to $0.06. So if you need to do some transactions, this is a very, very good moment in Ethereum. And also, it's really relevant in my opinion that Hong Kong officially recognized Bitcoin and Ethereum for proof of investment to apply for residency. This is getting serious. So come on, Bitcoin, dollar, you need to go down. Still going up. We don't want that. We don't want to follow this path that I drew for you in the past, that I now adjusted here. Maybe we're going to be up to 100, then down to 92, and so on and so forth. Maybe we have to wait in April to start this bull run. Maybe this time is different. We'll see about that. Maybe dollar starts going down, and it did in 2017, and we can still have in play this chart when we go all the way down to close to $500,000, $200,000 for the end of the year. Why not? Remember that we also have this one in last video adjust to 2017. So if you want more of these charts, go to previous videos, watch them all. Today, we just want to tell you that seems that the world is just a cat playing with Bitcoin. Keep on learning about AI with our other channel. I'm gonna record now the new video and also learn more about crypto and financial things here with Rodrigo Ernido, Noticias Bitcoin, Crypto News, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!